Accounting and finance. Which career path holds the key for your future success? Today, I will dissect each and give you my advice for which path is best for you. What is accounting? Think of accountants as the historians of finance. They keep track of all the money coming in and all the money going out, ensuring that every dollar is accounted for, every financial statement is precise, and taxes are calculated correctly. From the balance sheet to the income statement, they create comprehensive reports that reflect a company's financial health. But accounting isn't just a one-size-fits-all kind of deal. Tax accountants focus on, well, taxes. Each one serves a unique purpose, but they all speak the same language of debits and credits. Now, finance is the art and science of managing assets for the future. It's a forward-looking field, fueled by planning, strategizing, and predicting market trends to maximize wealth. Financial professionals are the architects of growth, crafting portfolios to build fortunes and advising companies on investment for expansion. In finance, every risk comes with an opportunity, and it's their job to weigh one against another. You'll find financiers analyzing the health of industries or even guiding startups towards rapid expansion and long-term growth. Think of Shark Tank. Finance is all about crafting a strategy to achieve financial goals, career paths, guidance, and the skills you'll need to succeed in these lucrative fields. Earning a relevant degree is often the first step. Both fields value a strong grounding in business fundamentals. For accounting, a bachelor's in accounting or a BCom with an accounting major is usually the stepping stone. And if you're eyeing those prominent roles, certifications like the CPA for accounting or the CFA and CFP for finance are golden tickets. These require passing rigorous exams and completing professional experience requirements, but open doors to advanced opportunities. However, it's not just about hitting the books. Seek out internships. I can't stress this enough. Network with professionals and remain curious. The real world is the ultimate classroom after all. And remember, become a lifelong learner, especially in fields that evolve as rapidly as finance and accounting, career trajectories, and where these paths can take you. For accountants, the starting line often begins with roles such as a junior accountant or an auditor in public or corporate accounting. As you gain experience, certifications, and perhaps a master's degree, doors swing open to higher level positions like senior accountant or controller. With time and expertise, you might pilot a whole accounting department or guide a firm as a chief financial officer. Over in finance, entry points range from financial analyst roles to positions in banks or investment firms. Senior roles bring fresh challenges and rewards. We're talking about becoming the visionaries who direct financial futures as directors or C-suite executives. The versatility of skills between accounting and finance means your career can be as dynamic or specialized as you aim for it to be. Salary and job outlook. Money matters. Starting out as an accountant, you might see figures in the lower to mid 5 figures. But with experience, senior roles, especially those with CPA designations, can command 6-figure salaries. And the job market? It's robust. Each new business or tax regulation can ramp up demand for skilled accountants. Flipping the coin to finance, the potential earnings have a wider range, but can scale significantly with bonuses and commissions. An analyst might start similarly to an accountant, but investment bankers and fund managers can earn sizable sums. And with most fields, location, sector, and market, your expertise can inflate your earning potential in finance. The finance job market is promising, known for innovation and growth, especially with fintech on the rise. Work-life balance. It's all about finding a rhythm that aligns with your personal life, expectations, and career ambitions. Accounting, particularly for those in public firms, the Big Four accounting firms, often has a cyclical nature with busy seasons that demand longer hours. Tax deadlines and year-end closings are going to be peak times, and while they're demanding, they usually come with quieter off-season periods. In contrast, accountants in corporate or private sectors may experience steadier workloads, contributing to a more consistent schedule. Moving to finance, market-driven roles like trading can see high-intensity days matched to stock market hours. But careers in areas like financial planning may afford more flexibility. Crucial to the equation is self-care. The more fulfilled you are personally, the more productive you'll be professionally. And I can tell you from my time as an analyst, there were times where it was Saturday night, 2 o'clock in the morning. The last thing that you wanted to do was what you were doing right then and there. But you always have to look forward. Many organizations recognize this. It's a grind. Consider what sacrifices and rewards come with each field's peak periods and the everyday. Skills needed for success. Climbing the career ladder in finance and accounting isn't just about degrees you earn. It's about honing the right skills. In accounting, a keen eye for detail is crucial. You're dealing with numbers that must be precise with no room for error. Organization, ethical judgment, and problem solving are also part of an accountant's toolkit. Transitioning to finance, analytical skills are your bread and butter. You'll need to forecast future trends and navigate complex data. But it's not all about numbers. Finance pros also need top-notch communication. Articulating complex concepts can make or break a deal. Problem solving is another shared skill between both domains. You'll often find yourself in situations that require strategic, outside-of-the-box thinking. Adaptability and a commitment to continuous learning aren't just beneficial, they're essential. Whether it's the latest tax software or a new investment platform, staying current with technology empowers you to take the lead. These skills build the foundation of your professional reputation and can propel your career forward, no matter what path you choose. Industry impact. Accountants are often the unsung heroes during financial crises, sifting through the numbers to audit and restore faith in systems. Finance experts are the frontline warriors of economic strategy, molding the future through shrewd, informed speculations. Think about it. The strategies forged inside the finance departments can lead to job creation, economic growth, and international business expansion. So you're probably wondering, hey Ken, what do you think? If you're overweight by 20 pounds, we could spend a whole bunch of time and effort figuring out how you got to this point. That's accounting. Or we can come up with a diet workout plan to get you to your ideal weight. That's finance. Frankly, I don't need to know about the late night refrigerator raids or that extra scoop of ice cream that nobody saw. Accounting. I want to figure out what do we need to do right now and in the future to make this better. Long story short, accounting is backwards looking. It tells us this is what happened. And it is important for us to know, but it is history after all. Personally, I can't change the past, only the future. So I am more interested in what we can do today and moving forward to create growth and positive change. That is finance. Crafting a career is a marathon, not a sprint. It's important to stay patient, remain focused, and be open to opportunities as they come. There are many resources you can go through to help make your decision, but I find that it's best to connect with professionals working in the industry and understand what their job is like and figure out if that suits you. Networking is going to be the key that unlocks the door to opportunity for you. And whether you're balancing books or assessing stocks, never lose sight of why you started. I want to hear from you now. Which career are you leaning towards? And what further questions might you have? Leave your thoughts in the comments below and let's continue the conversation. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. And stay tuned for our next video. And remember, finance and accounting don't just make businesses run, they're the key to making economies thrive. And as always, be relentless.